Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, today I'll be sharing with you all another quick and easy air fryer recipe, and it's roasted cauliflower packed with flavors which turns out so very delicious and crisp from outside. And friends, you can include this low carb keto friendly air fryer cauliflower recipe in your weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. And here I've taken some cauliflower cut into florets of medium sized portions, and I've soaked them in hot water for about 10 minutes by adding a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of baking soda to get rid of any insecticides and pesticides. And now I'm going to drain off the water and pat the florets dry. So I've pat dried the cauliflower florets with a kitchen towel, and now we need to season them. Here goes some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then this is Piri masala, adding 1/2 teaspoon of it, which will greatly enhance the flavor of our roasted cauliflower. And to give a smoky flavor, I'm adding here 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and finally 1 teaspoon of olive oil, so that the spices and seasonings coats well with the florets. And now we need to mix this really well so that the seasonings and herbs combines well with the cauliflower florets. In the meantime, we'll preheat the air fryer for about 5 minutes. Alright, this is done, and now we will let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now in the preheated air fryer, we will add the marinated cauliflower florets, and with the help of a spoon, we will spread it so that the cauliflower florets get cooked evenly. And since I have cut the cauliflower into medium sized florets, they will be ready in just 10 minutes, and you don't need to flip them also. And here goes our cauliflower florets into the air fryer. We'll set the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius and we'll cook them for 10 minutes. And it's 10 minutes now. Let's check them. And you can see the cauliflower florets are well roasted and golden brown from all the sides. So we'll take them out and serve them hot right away. And here goes our air fryer roasted cauliflower, which is not just delicious but healthy too, as it's low in carb and keto friendly. So friends, I hope you'll try this quick, easy and healthy cauliflower recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other air fryer recipes. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.